If you are using Microsoft Teams as a communication channel with your team and you want that whenever a new form response is received, those form responses should be shared automatically with your team so that you do not have to do anything manually, then this video is for you, because here I am going to teach you how to send Jotform submissions to Microsoft Teams chat automatically. Want to learn how you can automate this? Come with me and I will show you the whole process step by step. Now, to automate this process, I'll have to integrate Jotform with the Microsoft Teams, and I am going to do that with the Pabbly Connect. Well, it is an integration and automation software and I am an existing user, so here you can notice I am already logged in. Okay, you can also create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test this kind of automation. Now, once you will reach to the dashboard, very first thing you'll have to do is to click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have pasted the name as send Jotform submissions. Okay, it should be submissions to Microsoft Teams automatically. Okay, now click on create and then you will notice 2 boxes in front of you. Okay, so these are actually trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever this happens, then automatically do this. Understand with an example also. Let's say whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, then automatically send an email via Gmail application to your customer. Okay, so this is how you need to always select the applications in which you are building an automation. So according to our use case, whenever any new form submission is made in Jotform form builder application, then automatically share the form responses in Microsoft Teams application. Okay, but let's say in place of Jotform you are using any other form builder like the Google form or Pabbly form builder or the type form. In that case also this automation is possible. You just need to select that specific application, and in place of Microsoft Teams you can forward the form responses to other application as well, like the Slack, Google Sheets, Airtable, etc. Okay, now the idea here is I'm going to connect these 2 applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so firstly I will select the trigger event, that is new response, because I want that whenever any new response is received in Jotform, the details should be collected via Pabbly Connect. So here you can notice Jotform has provided me this webhook URL. Okay, so I am going to copy this webhook URL, go back to my form which I would like to integrate, basically whose responses I would like to share with my team. Okay, so this is an appointment form whose responses, whose appointment details I would like to share with my team on Microsoft. Okay, so I am going to build a connection in this form. Okay, so firstly open the settings section, then visit this integration section, and here exactly you will have to search for the webhook option. Okay, here exactly we will paste the same webhook URL which we have received via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I am going to first remove this existing integration, and then I will again click on this webhooks option, and here exactly I will paste the same webhook URL which I have received via Pabbly Connect. Now I am going to click on this complete integration step, and you will notice that the connection in Jotform and Pabbly Connect will be done. Okay, so now onwards what will happen? Okay, you can even read the instructions that it is waiting for the webhook response. Okay, so log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means creation of a new response. Okay, so I am going to open this form in front of you, and then I am going to make a dummy submission in this form. Basically I will provide some dummy details, and you will see how the details will be collected via Pabbly Connect. Alright, so I have provided the details: demo as the first name, user as the last name, 17th of March 99 as the date of birth, the gender is female. Here I have also provided a dummy phone number, a dummy email address, and I have selected a specific date and time for the appointment. Now I am going to submit this form, and as soon as the submission is made, you will notice that a response will be received instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data. Okay, so let me show you the details one by one. So here we have the form details, that is the first name as demo user. Here we have the date of birth. Here we have received the time zone also. We have the appointment date, the email address, the phone number, the country code, the gender, and all the details. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Jotform and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. And now onwards, every time any person is going to submit this form, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly. Now once the detail is captured, I want to share these appointment details with my team on Microsoft Team Chat. Okay, well, the application is selected already. In the action event, you'll have to select this send message in our channel, and just like we have connected Jotform and Pabbly Connect, now we will be connecting this Microsoft Teams and Pabbly Connect. Okay, so simply click on this connect with Microsoft Teams, and then you will have to provide the access of your Microsoft Teams account. Well, I am already logged in into my Microsoft Teams application, so instead of asking me the access, it is asking me for the permission, which I have provided, and then you will notice that the authorization will be successful and my Microsoft Teams account will be connected with the Pabbly Connect. And yes, it is connected. Now here you can notice whatever the channels I have created inside my Microsoft Team account have started visible here. You can notice digital initiative public, Mark 8 project team, US sales, retail, Pabbly Connect, and these are visible here only. Okay, here also. And I would like to share all my form responses in this Pabbly Connect channel, and here I have created this Pabbly team. In this section I would like to share, so I will be selecting the same, that is Pabbly Connect first, and in the channel I will select this Pabbly team. Okay, let me wait for that. Alright, so I have selected these two. Now from here exactly I can compose my message, that what message I would like to share with my team. Okay, so basically I wanted to share all the form responses. Okay, so I have already created a small message into Notepad. How about I directly copy and paste the same message here, and now I will show you, hello team members, a new appointment is received by the form, and here I want that the name of the form should appear. Okay, so how I am going to provide the name? Remember, we have received all the form data into our previous step, and I don't need to manually copy the above data and paste it here. I'm going to map the whole data, and mapping is very simple inside Pabbly Connect. Click on this field and you will find the above data, the very same data here in the drop down. Let me search for the name of the form, and here we have the form title. Okay, a new appointment is received by the form, online doctor appointment form. Appointment details are as follows, and here one by one I will provide the name, email, DOB, gender, and all the details. Okay, so let me correct the formatting first, and then I will show you how you can send all the details. The phone number is also missing. If you want to share that thing, let me add the same, and lastly I will add something like thanks. Okay, so how I'm going to provide these details, as I have told you, we are going to map this data. So when you will click on this field, you will find the above data here in the drop down. Simply search for the name of the person. Okay, so I have mapped the first name. I will give a space first, and then I will map the last name. Okay, and in the same way I am going to map all the details, that is the email address, and let me first map all the details here one by one. Alright, so here you can notice I have provided all the data with the help of mapping. Okay, so you must be thinking, what is this mapping? So whatever the details I have provided here manually, these details will remain same, and whatever the details I am providing with the help of mapping, these details will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time. So here you can notice the name of the form will be changed automatically, the name of the person, the email address, the date of birth, and lastly the gender and the phone number, and the date and time of the appointment are also going to change. Okay, now I will be clicking on this button, save and send test request, and you will notice that the details will be received on my Microsoft Team chat automatically. Okay, so fingers crossed, wait for the response, and here you can notice the response is received. Let me go back, and here you can notice the message is arrived. Okay, so the name of the person, email, the date of birth, the gender, the date and time of the appointment, and phone number. All the details are here. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that connection in Pabbly Connect and Microsoft Teams is working fine, or you can say this automation is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, every time you are going or anyone is going to submit this form, the details, the form responses will be shared automatically with your team. And to automate this process, you need to create this automation inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. And just in case if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach this link into my description box. You just need to click on that link, sign up into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access this workflow, this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.